presentation of Bristol bodybuilders, shall we? Let's get this fight underway.
3, 2, 1.
So immediately, where does the other go? Easily going in the wrong direction and flying around like a crane possessed robot. I did warn you in the front row. If you weren't listening, that is on your fault. I don't know who there is a nose my teammate is. They're smashing everything in sight. I can't hit anything you're saying now. That's probably for the best. Once again, sliding down on big Mareep. Just a ring there showing a battery. And I don't know what Samsung's doing, but Samsung's going to be a world push on this fight. And finally, we got 2 hits from Easy Over. So Bax is relentlessly chasing down for a big break. Aggressively he's chasing after him. That pan is looking worse for wear. So, the nothing has been hit, and Mareep is just never-ending taking hits from Bax. Are we going to see Easy Over in the pulpit? I thought we were backwards. Look at the doing his good push. Look at the dust coming off. As that side band slams into the arena floor, it just leaves this trail of destruction. And for the first time, we're now seeing Savage on Easy Over into the pitch. Get hand. And Big Mareep is now being lifted up and down by Slammerton. Have you heard how quiet it is now? Easy Over has got. I mean, we have to give that a first. They were 2v1 and they managed to somehow get both of their opposing robots into the pit.